Joe Hansel with a look at your predicted severe weather threats on this Monday. So the quiet Atlantic hurricane season has been rather nice for a while. Saharan dust, low wind shear, among other things. Doing your part to keep it quiet, but wasn't bound to last forever. We got a couple of things the National Hurricane Center is watching. In the middle of the Atlantic, there is a 10% low chance of either tropical depression or tropical storm development with a tropical wave there. Another wave near Cuba will be working to the Gulf of Mexico. One wave just southeast of Texas, about a 20% chance. Over the next 5 days or less of tropical depression or tropical storm development. Something we'll keep an eye on. Could bring some well-needed rain, though, for areas of Texas. We have some heat issues today, basically from Raleigh northeast to Boston. Heat advisories, excessive heat warnings in between for some locations like Trenton, New Jersey, Dover, Delaware. Excessive heat warning continues in northwestern Arizona as well. We got a lot of highs well in the 90s. And low 100s across the lower 48 today. If we don't get 100 degrees in some locations, it'll feel at least like it. Where those heat advisories and excessive heat warnings are. Multiple fronts stretching across much of the region, quiet in the Great Lakes today. But with those fronts, 1 to 3 inches of rain with locally heavier amounts are possible over the next few days in portions of the Great Plains, smack dab in the middle of the nation, including cities like Kansas City. Areas of severe weather are possible, up to a slight risk from Bismarck to Pierre in areas of the Dakotas for the most part. A couple of tornadoes, damaging winds, large hail all possible, and that slight risk. Generally damaging windstorms are possibilities from Kansas City to St. Louis, east towards Nashville, and all the way to the Atlantic coastline near Raleigh, Cape Hatteras, Norfolk, and northeast. Large hail and damaging winds are possible with a marginal risk near Boston and Providence, Rhode Island. So in the upper Midwest, we'll have generally that area low pressure working eastward with that front. So in the Dakotas, later in Minnesota, we'll have those showers and storms.